Thank you for tuning in to G7 Sports. Well, you see, I'm out here just trying to catch that big carp. Oh, I had a good time so far, but I'm getting a little hungry, so I got me. You can see there. I love this rack. I got this from Walmart. I think it's something to do with combing or something. I don't know, but I love it because it moves. It makes it move. You see how it's moving on my fire? Ain't that beautiful? Living the dream. And also in my oven over here, I got some baked potatoes down in there. You see them baked potatoes? Oh my God, I got some butter and cheese, off-grid camping. Don't get no better than this. I love it because that thing continue moves like that. It's perfect. Peaceful. This is what a lot of people should do. If you really know any tips about camping, just go to G7 Sports. You can find me. Subscribe if you like what you see. Beautiful out here.